देखा तेनू पहली बार वे होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए हाय मैनू की हो गया।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Preeti. I make beauty related videos every week, and if you're into that, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, I'm gonna do a wedding guest makeup look. Every time I open Instagram, I see wedding pictures all over my feed. I don't know what's wrong. Everyone is getting married. I assumed a lot of you guys must be attending weddings this month or in the upcoming months, so I thought of doing this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to use my favorite primer. It's the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I do not know the reason why I like this, but I remember I was wearing this on the day of my brother's wedding. I just realized I did not tell you guys about it. So basically I was wearing the same outfit and similar makeup on my brother's wedding. It was on 15th of October. Took a lot of pictures and I just remember the makeup that I was doing, and this makeup look in particular just took me like 10 to 15 minutes because I remember getting ready very quickly, like within 10 to 15 minutes, and it's a super easy makeup look, and that's why I thought of coming here and sharing it with you guys. And it is, I think, one of my like standard looks. You will know why I'm saying it's one of my standard looks, because this is the kind of look I mostly do, but that day it was looking very elegant, and I'll insert a picture of the wedding, like of my entire outfit, and it was like very neutral, nude looking makeup, and this is a kind of makeup which will go on any outfit. Still I was looking very put together. I do not have like a proper close-up picture wherein you guys can see my makeup, so I thought of coming here and sharing a similar look with you guys. And that day I was wearing this primer itself. I love this primer. I do not have a particular reason to like it, but it smells really good and it feels kind of hydrating, and my foundation goes well on top of this primer, so I think those are like enough reasons. So I'm gonna take like one pump of it, apply it to my face. So I remember using this primer as well. This is a NYX pore filling primer. It's a very dry sort of a primer, but a lot of people like it. I don't understand the hype. It's really dry for me, So I'm just applying this primer on the areas where I have pores. Now that it's done, let's move on to the foundation. I do not remember the foundation that I was wearing. I think I mixed this particular foundation with some matte foundation. I do not remember which one it was. I think it was Maybelline, but I can't find the Maybelline foundation right now in my vanity. I don't know. I think I gave it to my mom, but I can't find that foundation, so I'm just going to use this one. It's from Smashbox, and I found my way back to this foundation in November. Like, I used to use this quite a lot, but somehow I stopped using it. Now I'm using it again. I think this is like my winter foundation. I like it during winters. So I took like 1.5 pump of this foundation. Okay, so the foundation is done, and the concealer that I was wearing that day was the Elegant Pure Beige Concealer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this concealer and apply it underneath my eyes. Honestly, recently I have started using the shade medium beige. I think that suits me better, but that day I was wearing this shade itself, so I was like, I might as well use the same shade if I'm doing like the same makeup. And for powder, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty loose powder. I'm gonna quickly set my under eyes because I don't want this concealer to crease. So I just filled in my brows again, and they look so much better now. So now let's just move on to the eye makeup. For eye makeup, I remember using K Beauty's eyeshadow palettes. For the most part, I use this one. This is the Pure Bloom eyeshadow palette. But I again remember using little bit of this shade. This is my favorite shade. You can see I have hit pan on this particular shade because I just like putting it all over my lid before heading out of my house, because I feel like it's such a easy to do eye makeup and it looks really good on my face as well. So I really love this shade, so I mixed a little bit of this shade as well. But you don't necessarily need to have this palette for that. You can use any bronzer as well, that would work similarly. But now that I have this palette and I used this particular shade on that day, so I'm just gonna show what I did. It's a super easy makeup look. You can just do it with whatever eyeshadows you have at your place. So what I did first was I took this shade, this orangish shade right here. It's called Spice, and I buffed it very lightly all over my lid. I do not want it to look like this. I do not want it to look red. I just need the warmth of this shade. So for that, I'm just gonna buff it very lightly on my entire eye. So next up, what I did was I took this shade and I applied it all over my lid. You can take any bronzer or any similar shade that you have. So that's it for my eye makeup, but if you like shimmer, you can apply a little bit of shimmer on the inner corner of your eyes, or you can apply it on your eyelid. You know, you can do anything you want, but I remember keeping it matte, so I'm just gonna do that, and I think it looks really pretty and super simple, right? Okay, so I'll finish rest of my eye makeup later on. Now I'm taking the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter and I'm just applying it on the high points of my face. Okay, so now my highlighter is done, and for blush I'm gonna take my favorite blush. It's from L'Oreal. I love wearing this shade. I wear this shade very often, and you might have seen this particular blush in most of my videos. This blush and the K-Beauty Soft Nude blush, I think these are the only two blushes I wear, like mostly. So I'm just gonna apply it on top of my highlighter. I really like when my blush and highlighter blends into each other. Okay, so that's it for blush, and also we do need a little bit of bronzer. So for bronzer, I'm using my Morphe Glamour Bronze bronzer in the shade Megastar. I love this bronzer. I hope this bronzer will be available in India really soon, because now that Morphe is available in India, I hope they bring all of their products. I particularly think that this particular shade will go on lot of Indian skin tones, and I think it's a perfect bronzy shade for me. And this is the only bronzer that I have loved in this entire year, apart from the e.l.f. bronzer. I'm like giving away my yearly favorites. I don't want to do that. I am making an entirely different video on my 2021 favorites, but this is one of the best bronzers I tried in the year 2021, and I cannot stop using it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. Now that all the powder products are on my face, I'm gonna set my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter. Now this is not available in India, and I'm really sorry for that, but the reason I'm showing this on this video is because I was wearing this on the day of my brother's wedding, and my makeup lasted the entire day. And in fact, I have tried this particular product a lot of times, and I have my verdict on it. It actually is a all-nighter setting spray. It makes your makeup last all night. You know, I have not seen a setting spray as good as this, like which will actually help your makeup last longer. So yeah, I swear by it, and I would highly recommend you to get your hands on this, especially if you are a bride or if you have any big event coming up, and if you want your makeup to last the entire day. You should definitely check this one out. I know that this is not available in India, but I myself got it from an Instagram store. So there are a lot of Instagram stores which sell a lot of international products, so you can check out those Instagram stores. So I'm just gonna set my face using this. I like to apply this twice. First, once I'm done putting on all the powder products on my face, and then when I'm entirely done with my makeup. I feel 2 layers of this seals the deal. So while it's drying, I'm going to apply some highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. I feel like this step is very important. You can just use any highlighter that you have for this particular step. So last 2 steps that are remaining, it's the mascara and the lipstick. So I'm gonna quickly put on mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. I love this mascara. It's completely dried out, but I'm gonna try to apply it. Again, this was the mascara that I was wearing that day. If you have like thin lashes now, and if you're looking for volume, this is the best mascara that I could recommend. This mascara is completely dry. It was a failed attempt. I'm gonna quickly grab some other mascara. This is the Face Shop mascara. I'm gonna apply a layer of this on top of the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. I do not want it to look clumpy, but I want the volume. So for lipstick, I remember wearing a cool toned or a neutral tone lipstick. So I'm gonna apply this shade Rumor from K-Beauty. This is one of my favorite shades. I have a nude lipstick video coming up, I think probably next week, like the best nude lipsticks of year 2020, and it is one of them. I don't know why am I giving away so much information from my upcoming videos. I should not do that. But yes, this is one of the best nude lipsticks, and stay tuned for my nude lipsticks video. I mean, you're gonna love it. I have really good finds this year, and if you're a nude lipstick fanatic like me, you will really enjoy that video. So yeah, that's it. And as you guys can already tell, it's a pretty neutral makeup look, neutral eyes, neutral lips, and I'm personally a fan of wearing a neutral makeup because I feel like it just looks very elegant. And like, this is one of my go-to makeup looks, you know, just very usual, but I think it's again a very super easy makeup look to do as well. Like, you know, I barely use 2 eyeshadows, but you know, everything just looks put together, and I love wearing this kind of makeup. And I think this is the kind of makeup which is very easy, but again, it will look good on almost all of your outfits. So that's it for today's video. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, then hit the like button. Please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and take good care of yourself wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.